Alright guys, there's date and time on a ground floor 620. In this video, you're going to ride the elevators here at the Hampton Inn Suites Madison West in Madison, Wisconsin. Before we ride them, check out this rotary phone here. Didn't expect to find this at a hotel or any sort of place nowadays. And it looks like it's connected to this jack right here. So apparently this still works. So that's nice. There's me in the mirror. I also have an Edwards Signa4 smoke detector right there. And before we get copyrighted by music, we're gonna call one of the elevators to take a ride on them. Here, ThyssenKrupp Aurora, which seem to have their call buttons replaced with I think a Mad BP moon. So we'll take it for a ride. But the inside buttons are still original though. Coming out this one. Come up.
Yep.
There go 5. What are your 4 you're going in?
2.
Alright.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Have a good day. Alright, so basically, apparently 2 is the main floor since this hotel is built on a hill. Alright, so here we are up at 5. Now, instead of using fake LEDs, they seem to use actual ones for some reason. So now let's send us down to 1. So we can get the right elevator right here. So let that one go. And then, yeah, they replaced this button too. I wonder why they replaced the call buttons but not the floor buttons. Whatever though. We're waiting for the elevator. You got an Edwards EST speaker store right there. Edwards Pulse Station. This floor also has a rotary phone. Wonder why I still use them. You got another Signa4 smoke detector right there, as well as one over here. So we're in for the elevator. We'll also take a look at this ice machine made by Scotsman with like a Prodigy. Actually, no, Scotsman is the brand of that top part. It looks like this elevator is right here. Snug it on the 1. Notice the buttons buzz when you press them. I'll show you something else once we get down to 1. But for now, we'll get our cab view. It's a pretty nice elevator. It smells a little weird in here though. Here's the indicator. So watch this. Yeah, so apparently the buttons also buzz when they go out, which I think is definitely something not common on any sort of ThyssenKrupp. Anyways, there are your fire instructions. But we'll take it up to 2 just to show you. Yes, see? Here's your phone. Actually, didn't really show it the best, so we're going to take it back down. It's going up. Don't want to go down. Selfie. Okay, I guess we're going up. I'll cancel my call. Oh, lovely. There we go. Go down?
Yes.
On a 2 or 1?
2.
Okay. Oh, but didn't buzz when it went out this time. Yeah, I noticed that sometimes well, first when you push the button, it buzzes, but when the button goes out, it'll also buzz.
Yes. Thank you.
Interesting. Yeah, no problem. Here, I'll show you it more down at 1. But watch this. Yeah, see, the button buzzes when it goes out. That's pretty cool. So, here you go, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Watch this close up. There it goes. And that'll be it.